again, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another exciting video. And this time we're going to do something just a little bit different. You know, we're always talking about crypto as far as the crypto space and the blockchain technology that is going to give all of us and all businesses the ability to exchange data and information on a whole new level using blockchain technology. And it's also become an investment opportunity for many people who are not technical and some that are. And that investment opportunity really is something that we need to highlight, and that's what we want to do in this video, because from a adoption standpoint, you might wonder just how prolific the ability to actually get crypto has become. So today I wanted to focus inside of the Apple App Store itself and just see just how many crypto apps are now available that give you the ability to buy and sell crypto, and kind of use this as a meter or a gauge for just how much adoption is going on as far as cryptocurrency. So let's just go in here and type in crypto and just see what happens. Let's just put crypto in. Look at this. Look at this. Crypto Pro Bitcoin ticker. There's one. There's Crypto Watch Desktop. Coin Stats Tracker. Let's look at these filters first of all. I want to make sure we don't have any things screening out anything. Any price. We got any category, any relevance. We don't want anything screened out. Okay, great. So what do we got here? So far, that's 1, 2, 3. Let's just count how many rows there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. That's 29 right there. 30. Look at this, folks. It's 30. Okay. 31. 31 apps out there that are coming up as a result. 31 rows. Now you got to multiply that times 3. 31 times 3 is what? 93 apps. Okay. Now this down here, I don't know why Terminal Madness, NL Word, Word Vendor, Word Feud, maybe the word crypto is inside of their search. Market Bar Trading Quotes. But we have 93 apps coming up just using the word crypto. Okay, we get 93 apps in the App Store coming up. Isn't that amazing? Okay, isn't that amazing? What if we were to change the words to cryptocurrency? What would happen? Would it be about the same? 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 times 3, what do we get? 18 times 3, 54 cryptocurrency apps to either buy or sell crypto or just track your crypto, whatever your fancy is, in the Apple App Store. This is a real good indicator of how prolific crypto is becoming. And we could just click on any of these. I'm not showing any favor to any one of these. So here's let's see, crypto value monitor. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Oh, they gave them a bad rating. Oh gosh, maybe we should go back. How about this, crypto tools? Let's see. Crypto Tools Pro. Crypto Tools Pro is a handy menu bar app to convert between fiat currencies and crypto. So there's a lot of people writing a lot of code just so you can actually see what the value of cryptos are, trade cryptos, track your cryptos. And then there's games being, look at this, Mahjong 3D Pro Unlimited Games. Why do they got crypto bringing that up? Not quite sure. Crypto coins, Payru. Okay, so there's a lot of people making apps or referencing the word crypto or cryptocurrency. And this is just unprecedented. This is how you know when something's not a fad. I still run into people, and it's probably hard for you to believe this, but I run into people who haven't bought any crypto yet. They believe it's a scam. There's a lot of people, and it's not just there's high profile people that believe that it's just something that's going to pass, and they all these people fall into one of 3 categories. They believe either A, it's a scam, or B, that the federal government is going to crack down on it so hard that it's not going to be worth anything, or they just don't want to learn anything new. They just don't believe that the US dollar will ever be superseded by something like Bitcoin. These 3 types of naysayers are not looking at the evidence that it's not going away. Here is yet another example of evidence that crypto is not going away. It's not going away. There were people that thought rock and roll music was going to go away. There were people that thought video games were going to go away. There were people that thought rap music was going to go away. There were people that thought all of these things. There were people that thought television would never be a thing. They thought it was something that was just not going to ever catch on. Okay? They didn't believe it. Okay? And here we are. We might make a list of all the things that people thought were going to be fads. We're going to do that. Maybe we'll spend some time on that and put this out there so we can see how many things people thought were just not going to take root, and they actually took root. Okay? Cryptocurrency has taken root. Okay? It's not going anywhere. It's growing. And it's growing at a rate that is hard for people to comprehend. And it's time out for people thinking that it's just going to go away. It's not going to go away. It's going to become the foundation for so many things that we used to do. We're just going to do it a different way. This is going to be the way we exchange value for goods and services. And that value is going to be in the form of digital currency, whatever type it may be. And maybe you'll actually be using one of these apps that is currently in the Apple App Store to either track your crypto or to manage it. So if you found this video informative, please throw up the likes and shares. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, I invite you to subscribe. We put out interesting videos like this for your consumption, and we hope that you find it of value. With that, folks, I'll catch you on the next one.